Suffering from arthritis pain. Tips to help you find relief. Each year, adult men and women are forced to cope with the often debilitating effects and symptoms of arthritis. In fact, there are more than 100 unique types of arthritis, which makes it very likely that you or someone you know has the disease. These carefully selected tips and tricks offer insight into the nature of arthritis. Make sure you are getting enough sleep. The stiffness and pain that is common in arthritis can lead to debilitating fatigue, and many of the treatments for the condition can also cause fatigue. Do what you can to ensure a good night's sleep every night, and you'll feel better and be healthier. Get the right tools. Adapted tools will help you perform your daily activities. Special gadgets like shoehorns, knives, zipper pulls and others can help to do the difficult daily tasks when suffering from arthritis. These tools can make a big difference in your life. Confide in friends and loved ones regarding your experiences with arthritis. If they are better aware of what you are dealing with, they will be more able to help with both assistance and support. Friends and family members may be able to help you research new treatments for arthritis. Use a timer to avoid overdoing it. Timing yourself and the chores you're attempting to do will ensure that you never overexert yourself. This means your joints are less likely to swell up. Many will keep trying to get tasks done by pushing through their pain, but this can cause more damage. If you have felt the effects of arthritis firsthand, you understand the many challenges that the condition presents. By following the advice in this video, you can learn more about the disease, including treatment options and a number of useful tips and hints that have helped others in your position. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.